In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email folder in Outlook. If your inbox is starting to feel cluttered, creating folders is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. It helps you separate important messages, keep related emails together, and make your mailbox much easier to manage over time. The good news is that Outlook makes this process very simple, and it only takes a moment. To begin, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where you can view your inbox and all of your existing folders. If you're already in Outlook, just make sure you're on the Mail screen before moving on. This is important because folder management happens from the Mail sidebar where your inbox and other folders are listed. Once you're in Mail, look over to the folder panel on the left-hand side. Find the folder where you want your new folder to be created. Then right-click on that folder. This step is useful because Outlook lets you create a folder directly from the location where you want it to appear. For example, if you right-click your main inbox or another folder, the new folder will be added in that area. After you right-click, a small menu will appear. In that menu, click on Create New Folder. This tells Outlook that you want to add a fresh folder to your current mail structure. If you don't see it right away, just look carefully through the menu options because it should appear as one of the available actions. As soon as you select that option, Outlook will give you a place to name the folder. Type the folder name you want to, then press Enter on your keyboard. Choose a name that clearly describes the kind of emails you plan to store there, such as work, receipts, projects, or personal. Using clear names now can save you time later when you're searching through your mailbox. Once you press Enter, your new folder will be created and added to your folder list. At that point, you can start moving emails into it whenever you want. This is a simple habit, but it can make a big difference in keeping your inbox clean and organized. And that's all it takes to create an email folder in Outlook. It's quick, practical, and a great way to keep your messages under control.